Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change from inches to centimeter in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document in Microsoft Word, and if we want to change from inch to centimeter, we need to go to the setting. We're going to go to the file and then we're going to choose more option. Okay, select options here and we're going to go to the advanced. All right, and then you can scroll down until you find the measurement. Okay, right here. And then as you can see, I have applied centimeters, and you just need to apply or change the measurement units here. You just need to choose centimeters, and then don't forget to click on OK. Okay guys, then that's all the way to change from inches to centimeter in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.